been watching the last couple weeks, you'll remember we went out to the evergreen cemetery and got these big Douglas fir logs set up this morning out here by the mill. Start milling those things down. We've got a project working with the city to make some cool benches and tables. All right, let's get this big one up on there and get this going. Got it all set up, figured out where we're gonna cut it. Let's take one last look before we cut it. Right there, 3-inch increments all the way out. Now we're moving logs around, getting over here to get to a big one we need. Alright, so there goes the big one we needed out of there. Let's get it over here to the mill. So we'll get this one back here and set it right up on the mill for us. So this is how we get them out of the trailer, and then we'll move them over there to the mill. You're clear. All right, so this is the last set of logs we got from the cemetery. We'll get them over here to the staging area. And we'll put those right back over here and finish peeling. Look at how we mill these logs here at ColoradoSpringsSawmill.com. We've got a stack set up, getting ready to go to the kiln. So we've still got some more to cut over here on Monday. We'll leave this one set up here on the saw over the weekend. As always, I appreciate you taking time to watch. We'll see you tomorrow. Fresh cut day.